Hi, I'm Andrea from Aromahead Institute. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you my favorite diffuser blend. This is the blend that I think makes the house smell so fresh and fabulous. And people walk into my house all the time. They ask me, wow, what am I smelling? It smells amazing. Well, this is the blend they're smelling. So this has 4 essential oils in it. We have lemon, we have bergamot, bergamot mint, and peppermint. Okay, so let me show you how to make it. It's a ml of each of the oils except the peppermint. It's a half ml. So the way I usually like to make this is in a stock bottle. I just grab a bottle with an orifice reducer. This is a 5 ml one, so it's a great little size. And I pour the essential oils into my graduated cylinder by the ml. This way I don't have to count drops or anything. And then I just keep that stock blend. And then I add from the stock blend to the diffuser. I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so let's get started. I'm just gonna bend down here because it's easier for me to pour the oils into the graduated cylinder when I do that. And I'm gonna start with 1 ml of lemon. Now, I would imagine it's obvious why we're using lemon for the house smell that we want for fresh, right? I mean, lemon is so fresh and so bright and opening, and it makes people smile. Most people just love the smell of lemon. All right, there we go. So I've got to exactly 1 ml. Then I'm going to put in 1 ml of Bergamot Mint. Now, if you don't know Bergamot Mint, because it's a little less common, it's such a beautiful aroma. It's like smelling bergamot and mint. And as a matter of fact, that's why the other 2 oils in this blend are bergamot and peppermint. The 3 are gorgeous together. And then the lemon adds this sparkle to it. That's amazing. So the bergamot mint is uplifting and refreshing. And we're going to put 1 ml in. So we're going just to the line that says 2. So we'll have the perfect combination. Now, just a great way to educate your nose is to pause here and smell the combination of the lemon and the bergamot mint. That is beautiful all on its own. And then we're gonna layer it further by adding a ml of the bergamot. Bergamot is a citrus made from a really beautiful fruit that made from the rind of the fruit. And it's a little different than the other citrus oils. It has a little more depth, and I love using it. So we're going to go to 3 ml here. And I especially love using it in the diffuser because it's such an uplifting essential oil. A lot of people use it to work with when they're feeling sad or depressed. They'll use bergamot as a really uplifting, emotionally supportive oil. So it's amazing to diffuse through your house. And then, of course, peppermint. And we're going to only use half a ml of the peppermint because it will take over the blend otherwise. So I'm going to go to 3.5 here. Okay, there we go. Yep, perfect. And this combination is invigorating. All right, so it's so beautiful. Now we're going to take this blend and we're going to add it into this little bottle. So I'm just pouring it in and we are set. We've got this gorgeous blend, and there's probably about 90 drops in there total, about 25 drops per ml. And so you're going to be able to use this over and over again because we only need to use maybe 5 or 10 drops in the diffuser at any given time, just depending on your space. In the summer when all the windows are open, if you're in a bigger space, 10 drops, no problem. In the winter, you might want to use less. If the house is closed up and there's not a lot of ventilation, you probably only need 5 drops. So I'm going to go ahead and take the top off the diffuser. I already put water in here. So then I can just put some drops right from my stock blend into the diffuser. Just opening it, it smells amazing. And I'm going to go ahead and put in 10 drops There we go. And pop this right back on. Put the diffuser top back on. There we go. Excellent. And you should be able to, maybe you can see the steam. I'll move it a little towards the camera. So maybe you can see the steam, and it smells incredible. And just leaving this running even for 15 minutes, the whole house is gonna smell amazing. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know, okay? All right, bye for now.